Hello, I'm Alan from CMark. I'd like to introduce you to our SDE 8000T diesel generator. This model is single phase, 240 volt, 50 cycle, and it comes with two power outlets, two 15 amp outlets, a 12 volt supply, RCD circuit breaker for your protection, a voltmeter, and this model is key start, or as an option you can have a remote start. These remotes will start and stop and operate from a range of about 50 meters. The unit comes with a small toolkit for maintenance, an operator's manual, a spare parts list for future servicing. The unit will run at 6 kVA and has a short-term rating of 6.5 kVA. In amps, that's 23.1 amps at single phase that it will deliver. The unit is on wheels, diesel tank as mentioned, fuel gauge. The unit has a cooling fan at the rear, electric cooling fan, exhaust, handles to help maneuver it about. The air cleaner is in here, removed by removal of some small screws for servicing. The battery is located inside, and the engine oil measure is located here. For draining the oil, there is a sump plug here which drains out through a channel underneath.